So it's day one of permanently living in Dubai. We flew in yesterday, business class with Emirates, and we're staying here for the next 3 weeks in Dubai Hills in an Airbnb whilst we find somewhere to live permanently, at least for a year. Follow along on the vlog. These were two open drawers. I went to close the drawers and they were like pushing back really bad, like they were super springy. And so I started like putting my foot on them and I'm like this. And they're like really springy. And then Ollie went, no, the cat's behind there. So the fish is in here somewhere. I don't know if you can see her. Oh, I can see her. I can see her, little fish. Let's see. What are you doing, darling? She just decided to stay. At least I didn't squish her. She didn't squeal. She didn't like scream. She didn't make any noise. I was literally putting all of my weight behind it. And if it wasn't for Ollie saying the cat, that could have been a real problem. So we've got to get some everyday stuff. Cat litter, cat tray, cat scratch post, kids stuff as well. And then I've got to hire a car if we can, so we're gonna have a walk over to Dubai Hills Mall and yeah, go try and tick a few kind of boxes that we've not ticked, bringing them here. So it's a hazy day, but this is the view from our apartment. So obviously this is Dubai Hills kind of that way and a bit behind us, but as you can see, can you see in the distance there? You can just see the Burj Khalifa, and then if you look, even though it's hazy, if you look over there, you can see the Burj Al Arab. Just to give you a little bit of context of where we are. And then Marina, if you drove down the coast that way, Dubai Marina's down over there. So we're kind of central to downtown with Burj Khalifa and Dubai Marina. Dubai Hills sits here. It's a stronghold expat community, we're told, but we'll see. But yeah, it looks like they're building some brand new stuff here. They're always building in Dubai, but then it looks beautiful, as we'll see in a minute. But I've been to Dubai Hills Mall before, but I've never walked through the park and stuff, so we'll capture that now because we're going to have a half-hour walk to the mall.
Work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter, not harder. I like it. Right, let's go. Right, take a left, I guess. I don't really know. Let's take a left, young lady. We go this way. Cove has no idea he's actually a Dubai baby, does he? No idea. Just drinking milky. Don't care.
I don't understand why when you're in Dubai, if you're a resident, you have to wear trousers. You have to be all covered up and you have to wear trousers, and if you're not a true resident. Yeah. And I don't understand that because it is so warm.
It's weird, isn't it? Everybody here wears trousers if they live here, but tourists are all in shorts. And then you got us here, me, shorts and sandals, looking like a proper tourist. No tan. Give me a few months. But yeah, it's... Yeah, we will. Yeah, oh yeah, end of summer we'll be like, oh, it's getting cold here. Because we'll be acclimatised. So we've been walking along that main road there, but the park's over here. So we're looking for a way to find it. And it looks like we've happened across the access, which is good. Problem is, no lift. Maybe, so we might have to do a... Oh no, in fact you can't lift stuff at the minute, can you? Okay, so we've decided Ollie's gonna carry the baby down the stairs and I'm gonna carry this down the stairs, but I'm not gonna film it unless you want to. Can you film me? Just in case I fall in. Come on. Oh, am I going first?
Yeah. Daddy says be careful with the steps.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork does make the dream work. I wouldn't have found it funny if you would have fallen and died, by the way.
Me neither. Me neither.
Oh, good boy.
Here we go. We're good.
Good. Well done, Daddy.
Thanks. Right, so this is Dubai Hills Park. You got some hammocks just there, like, oh, you just got some hammocks here. I guess this is a running track. Must go round it. Some people playing tennis and stuff. I think that's, what's that, volleyball? Cool pampas grass, if that's what you call it. Someone's lost the ball over there. So there's like rock climbing stuff there and monkey bars and stuff. It looks like table tennis. It's nice, the greenery. Everyone says no nature. Can you hear the birds singing? Everyone's like, everyone that's never been to Dubai that's trying to slag Dubai off, it's like, it's got no nature, got no nature. What's this? What's all this? The trees and stuff.
I like how chill it is here.
Yeah, it's very chill.
Really tranquil, isn't it?
Yes.
Just like nice.
Tranquil. It kind of feels like a park back in the UK, doesn't it? If you had the perfect weather. It's like red hot today. It's beautiful sunshine, but you can hear the birds singing, and it's, I don't know, I guess it feels like the thing they accused Dubai of having none of. No nature. It kind of feels like legit in a really well kept park, which I guess is what it is.
Yeah.
And a very green one.
I think maybe it'd be nice to be somewhere like this and like go to the hustle and bustle. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, like you could base yourself somewhere like this, and then, because it is chilled and laid back, and then go to the hustle and bustle when you want to. Is that you suggesting you don't want to live in Marina?
No, I'm just saying, like, the Marina is very touristy. It's very hustle and bustle. It's very, oh my god, watch out for those electric scooters.
Yes.
Like, I love the Marina. It's a lovely place, but I don't know if after a while it would like grind on you a
Yeah, I
little
think
bit.
that's why most people eventually move out of Marina when they kind of settle into Dubai, if they start off here. But I mean, look at this. Look how nice it is.
There's the answer that you can walk your dog.
Oh, there you can walk your dogs. I was saying, if you got dogs, this would be lovely. If you got teenage kids or something with all the stuff over there to do, that would be lovely. Nice little doggy. Random cute dog walking alongside us. That's the cutest dog ever. I don't think it likes us. That's nice. Oh, yeah, you can definitely walk the dogs. Maybe you're meant to keep them on a lead, I don't know. But yeah, green grass, run track, pampas grass, trees. It's very nice, very aesthetic. So this is cool for like slightly older kids. You've got a little bit of a playground here. I think it may be a little bit too slow pace for me to want to live here, but it's day one and usually places grow on me. I'm usually like, couldn't do that. And then day two, I'm like, oh no, I see the charm. So, don't know. Like, look at it. Palm trees, greenery. There's a lot of building work going on, but that's how you've got to have it, isn't it? When you're trying to build some spectacular new places, you got to build some stuff. But yeah, my gut instinct day one from the area is it's lovely. Emar's lovely, like everything Emar do. It's just the communities are really, really nice. Very peaceful, but having come from essentially a village on the outskirts of Lincoln, my life was a bit slow paced there. And whilst we need a bit of a slower pace for the newborn baby, like, I'm not ready to live in a village. Little fountains here. Just look at this, little fountains. Kind of cute. Kids playing, I don't know if it's a trampoline or what, but it's very nice. Very nice. Even like, look, even the benches are pretty classy. Do you know what I mean? Classy and timeless. They just choose well. It looks like maybe is it? I thought it was a skate park. It's a blooming big inflatable thing. That looks amazing. Oh my God, I want to go on that. Yeah, look at these bouncy things, like bouncy things here. Greenery. If you had kids, this would be such a cool place for them to hang out because it's so safe in Dubai as well. And then you got, I don't know if that's like the older kids play park there, look. But that looks really cool as well. I don't know, it is lovely. So the thing we here versus like the UK, like this is beautiful. This walk through this park's been amazing. And you're not worried about some like mentally ill paedophiles going to try and snatch your kids, or you're not scared about getting stabbed, or you're not scared that there's going to be a group of thugs just hanging around smoking weed and drinking and, do you know what I mean, just hanging around and causing trouble and vandalising. It's just not like that. It's just luxuriously epic and safe. Like, if you bring your kids here, if you bring your kids up here, they're just gonna have a good life without the fear of getting bloody anything happen to them. Look at this then. It's like a proper skate park. Got like a, I don't know if you call that half pipe or not. It's like a bloody 360 pipe. So we've just exited the park and now we just crossed this road and you can see Dubai Hills Mall. We need to cross. So this is Dubai Hills Mall entrance. Dubai Hills Business Park, that kind of is on the front. You see it from the main road over there. And then the park sits there. This is the mall. Hopefully you get a sense of perspective over it. And we're in Dubai Hills Mall. So he's super hot, bless him, but look how excited he is.
Look at all the things.
Look what he's looking at. He's looking at, oh, maybe he's looking at this. I love these things. I think they look so cool. Like, how good's that display? Love it. Just loving the lights and stuff. So I came to Dubai in January on my own for 3 weeks, and that cinema there is the cinema I went to, and it's the first cinema I've ever been to on my own. There you go, fun fact. Starbucks time, long flight, long day. So we're gonna have a Philly steaks thing for the first time. I don't know if this is an American chain or what. And got some wings. We didn't get a car. We didn't get a cat litter tray. We didn't get, what else did we come for?
A baby steriliser.
We didn't get a baby steriliser. I don't know what.
The bottle thing.
But basically,
We didn't get anything.
we didn't get anything. We just got a Philly cheesesteak from Charlie's or something like that. And that steak might be a stretch. You could call it some kind
It
of.
wasn't even a stretch, it was just a straight up lie.
Well, yeah, but we're in Dubai, so we don't say things like that.
Oh, sorry. But I think it's an American company, so I think it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, lock Ollie up, not me. So we've got to walk back half an hour to pick a card up. Because I didn't bring my card with me, but they need a card to hire a car, and then hope that the guy kept his word and he's kept it, but I only told him to keep it for 3 hours. So maybe he lets it go. I don't know. But anyway, we're walking back to the apartment. We're going to get the card and then we're going to come back. That's the plan. I think I just need to go to bed. So, yeah.
We have to go and get a cat litter tray, we can't.
No, okay. No boat and go in bed. We have to do it. So, yeah, that's it. So, not a very exciting vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed looking at Dubai Hills. A little tour of some of the main bits of Dubai Hills. The mall, which is lovely. A lot of people say it's their favourite mall in Dubai. The park, which is lovely, and it's a very picturesque Emaar community. Can't really go wrong. Emaar are like the masters in Dubai at creating kind of like livable communities that are actually aesthetically beautiful, on the whole well planned and all that stuff. So we finally hired a car. We've come back, this little beast, and he told us it would only cost us extra £100 to have it for the month. Thanks, mate. So we got it for a couple of weeks. We're going to buy a car, obviously. It's this bad boy. We just bought this, 250 quid just for the base. It's not even a car seat, it's a base for a car seat. That fits that we've already bought at home, the base. So that were about 250 quid, I think. That were 250 quid. And then we bought another one, which was 250 quid for Dubai, because we didn't bring it. And then we bought this blooming thing. I'm jokingly saying this is a Lazy Mama Pro. Bottle washer pro. This washes the bottles and sterilises them and dries them. And that was, what was that, 250 quid?
220?
220 on offer or something, weren't it? Because of
Ramadan.
Ramadan. Nice.